Okay, this is important. So, you're gonna run into this and make this problem a million times. Okay, so to start off, I have two strings. Um, I have a string called A and a string called B. Both of them have hello saved into them. I'm gonna print both of them out. Hello and hello, right? These two have the same thing in them. So I made an if statement down here. And I'm checking if A is equal to B. And so these two things have the same value, so they should be equal. So since they're the same should be printed out. Why then is the different printed out? Hello and hello are the same thing. These two should be equal. Why is it saying they're not? This is where equals equals versus dot equals comes into play. Okay? So when you're using an object like a string, you have a location in memory like A, right? A holds a string, and you have this string inside of here, right? And it has hello. And this is at some location in memory. Let's say that this is at 220 memory lane, right? And you have another one. That is my phone. Give me one moment. Thank you. You have another variable called B that also holds a string. It also has hello in it. But these two are not saved at the same spot in memory, right? This one's at 221 memory lane, okay? When you ask if two objects are the same thing, it checks if the memory locations of them are the same. It doesn't matter what's saved inside of them, because frankly, Java doesn't really know how to interpret this until it's asked to. All it knows is this memory location the same as this memory location? And the thing is here, these two do not share the same memory location. They have the same value, but they don't share the same memory location. So that's why the different gets printed out. Now, if we wanted this to work as intended, we would have to use the string function dot equals. You'll take some string, like A, and you'll say, does this string dot equals this other string? If the values of the strings are the same, this will turn into true. Oops, lowercase true. And if these are not the same, like say this one had a 0 at the end, this would turn into false. Okay? So let's run this and let's see what happens. Now it prints the same because it's actually using the value, not the memory location. Okay? And when we start getting into writing classes and building classes and creating objects that we made, dot equals is going to be very important. So if you run into the issue where you're trying to compare two strings and it's just not working, first thing to do is try dot equals. Okay?